Now let's introduce the installation and operation process of the 980 nanometers 5+1 multifunction laser treatment instrument, which is the host, which is the foot switch, which is the power cord universal. This is laser glasses the operator should be worn. This is the eye mask for customers to wear. This is the optical fiber handicraft. This is the focus ring, respectively 0.2 mm, 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm. Focus ring is used to adjust the size of the spot. The thicker the focus ring, the larger the spot, commonly used 0.2 mm. Which is 2 redness dispelling treatment heads, 2 just different shapes, selected according to personal habits. This is the nail fungus treatment head. This is the pain treatment head. This is the skin rejuvenation and anti-inflammatory treatment head. This is the eczema herpes treatment head. This is the ice hammer. Connect the power cord to the power outlet. Connect the foot cable to the foot pad connector. And connect the ice hammer to the eye socket. After connection, it can be used immediately, no need to add water, the instrument has no consumables, and there is no need to apply gels. Now powered on, the instrument is loaded and automatically enters the function selection interface. The page has 5 buttons, namely red blood crest, physiotherapy, nail fungus, skin rejuvenation and anti-inflammatory, eczema herpes. Click the red blood button to enter the red blood distracting operation page. The interface is very simple, there are a total of 3 parameters. This is the power. This is the pulse width. This is the frequency. Click the plus, dash button to adjust the parameters. This is the power. The value is too small to work, too big will burn blister, commonly used range 6-12W. This is the pulse width. The pulse width is the time that the laser stays on the skin, the value is too small to work, too big when the pain increases, it will blister. Commonly used 30 milliseconds. This is the frequency. The frequency is the number of lasers emitted by the laser per second, and the common range is 2 Hz. This bulb is aimed at the light. Click this button to adjust the aiming brightness. One gear is weak, the second gear is brighter, the third gear is particularly bright. Generally choose a gear, can see the red blood on the line, too bright but cannot see clearly. This is the energy count emitted by the laser after this boot, which is the total energy count emitted by this instrument. Click the start button. Step on the pedal, the laser starts the output, release the pedal, the laser stops the output. If the parameters are not suitable and you need to adjust the parameters, you need to return to the paused state to adjust. For example, if the energy increases a little, or the pulse width increases a little, click start again and reheal. This is how the red blood is operated. During pain therapy, click the back button to return to the function selection page. While on standby, click the pain therapy button to enter the treatment interface. Gently unscrew the red blood treatment head, replace it with the pain treatment head, and do not use the focus ring. The operation method of the interface is the same as the redness interface, and the power is often 18W and above when the pain is treated. The common range of pulse width is between 30 milliseconds and 50 milliseconds. The frequency commonly used range is 5-9 Hz. Once the parameters are set, you are ready to operate. The hand is vertically aligned with the area requiring physical therapy, about 1 centimeter away, and the pain site is irradiated vertically in a spiral shape, and the fever is about 10 seconds. The treatment process is comfortable, the skin feels warm, and the painful area can be felt easily after irradiation. The specific treatment time to warm not hot, the customer can accept the subject of the process. In the process of treatment, to constantly ask the customer's feelings, the degree of endurance. If the parameters are not appropriate, release the pedal. Click the pause button back to the standby state. Parameter adjustment. For example, if the energy increases a little, or the pulse width increases a little, click start again and reheal. 9001500 rounds per part, subject to fever or not. Depending on the specific situation of the person in pain, irradiation can be carried out every other day. This is how pain therapy works. When removing nail fungus, click the back button to return to the function selection page in the standby state, and then click the nail fungus removal button to enter the nail fungus operation page. Replace the nail fungus treatment head, and commonly use the 0.2 mm focus ring. The power is commonly used 12W and above. The pulse width is commonly used in the range of 20 milliseconds, 40 milliseconds. And the frequency is commonly used in the range of 2 to 3 Hz. The hand is aimed at the nail that needs to be irradiated, about 1 centimeter away from the nail, and the nail is irradiated vertically in a spiral style without touching the nail. The intraoperative treatment is comfortable and the nails feel warm. The specific treatment time is based on the war, MTH and not hot. The customer can accept it, and in the process of treatment, we must constantly ask the customer's feelings and the degree to which it can be afforded. Treatment is given once a week for a period of 6 months to 1 year until the entire new nail has grown. His is how to remove nail fungus. When the skin rejuvenation is anti-inflammatory, click the back button to return to the function selection page under standby, and then click the skin rejuvenation and anti-inflammatory button to enter the skin rejuvenation and anti-inflammatory operation page. Replace it with the skin rejuvenation and anti-inflammatory treatment head. No need to focus on the ring. Function is recommended to start from 12W, such as no feeling can increase the energy little by little. In general, 12W 20W is more appropriate. Pulse width commonly used range 10 to 20 milliseconds. Frequency common range 10 to 20 Hz. The treatment head irradiates the skin vertically, about 5 to 8 centimeters from the skin, and the skin feels a slight warmness after irradiation for about 6 seconds. The duration of the irradiation and the length of treatment are determined by the doctor according to the scope and depth of treatment. It is recommended that each area be treated for no more than 3 minutes at a time. The interval cycle is recommended to be 1 to 2 times a week. This is how to behave skin rejuvenation and anti-inflammatory. When treating eczema herpes, click the back button to return to the function selection page while on standby, then click the eczema herpes button to enter the operation page of eczema herpes. Replace it with the eczema herpes physiotherapy head. No need to focus on the ring. The power is commonly used 15W and above. The pulse width is commonly used within 50 milliseconds. And the frequency is commonly used in the range of 6-7 Hz. If there is no feeling, you can increase the energy little by little. Treatment head from the skin 2-3 centimeters vertical irradiation. Irradiation for about 5 seconds after the skin feels a slight sense of warmth is better. Irradiation time and length of treatment by the doctor according to the personal treatment range and depth of the decision. It is recommended that each area of treatment for 10 to 20 minutes, 6 days for 1 course of treatment. Treatment course between 2 days, healing to stop treatment. This is how to treat eczema herpes. When a cold compress is needed to cool down, use an ice hammer. The instrument can use the ice hammer at boot, which has nothing to do with the screen procedure. Long press the switch on the ice hammer to open the ice function. The longer the use time, the lower the surface temperature of the ice hammer, according to the specific situation. The time should not be too long. If the patient is found to have adverse reactions, should immediately stop to prevent frostbite. This is how the ice hammer works.